Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on painting watercolor berries and leaves. Now that each berry is painted, I'm going to deepen the color for the berries. If my painting is too wet, I can remove extra watercolor with my dry shader brush. Take your time painting each berry. I'm using vermilion hue here. Since my berry is dry, I added in some water and added in some vermilion hue here. And now I'm putting in some quintessential scarlet to add some pinky orange color to that berry. Because these berries are small, I like to remove any extra water on my berries with my shader brush. Now I'm deepening the color of the leaves along the edges and filling in the middle. Continue to paint all the leaves, adding in color along the edges just like we did with the berries. With watercolors, you want to go from light to dark. I'm adding shadow green along the edges of this leaf to darken the color of the leaves. Now that my leaves are dry, I can paint the leaves that are behind other leaves. I'm adding in some more sap green and hooker's green to give a shadow to this leaf. It's okay to turn your watercolor paper to give you the most comfortable angle for painting each of your leaves. I already painted the stem using Hooker's green, and now I'm using shadow green to darken the stem and connect it to the berries.